Have you ever wondered why your steak turns brown when you grill it, or why bread dough rises in the oven? The answer lies in the chemistry of cooking. Imagine this: your kitchen is not just a space for preparing meals, it's a bustling laboratory where countless chemical reactions take place every day. Every time you heat, mix, or chop ingredients, you're setting off a cascade of chemical processes that transform those raw materials into a culinary masterpiece. Think about it, that sizzling steak on your grill. It's undergoing a complex series of reactions that not only changes its color, but also enhances its flavor and aroma. And the bread dough rising in your oven? It's a live demonstration of chemistry in action, with yeast cells metabolizing sugars and releasing carbon dioxide that makes the dough rise. So, the next time you step into your kitchen, remember, you're not just a cook, you're also a chemist. Ever notice that golden brown crust on your perfectly grilled steak? That's the result of a chemical reaction called the Maillard reaction. You see, when you cook food, especially foods high in protein like meat or bread, a beautiful dance of chemistry begins to unfold. This dance is the Maillard reaction, a reaction between amino acids and reducing sugars. The heat from your grill or oven accelerates this reaction, causing your food to brown and develop a rich, savory flavor that we all crave. It's the Maillard reaction that gives your Sunday roast its mouth-watering aroma, your morning toast its appealing golden hue, and your daily cup of coffee its unique taste. From the crispy crust of a loaf of bread to the succulent brown surface of a grilled steak, this reaction is truly a culinary game changer. So the delicious crust on your steak or bread is all thanks to the Maillard reaction. Ever wondered how bread dough rises? The secret ingredient is yeast, a tiny organism that performs a big chemical feat. This wonder worker is responsible for the process known as fermentation. During fermentation, yeast consumes sugars present in the dough, and as a result it produces carbon dioxide gas and alcohol. This process is a bit like a mini party for the yeast. They feast on the sugar and in return they let off gas. Now you might be wondering, where does the gas go? Well, the gas doesn't escape into the air. Instead it gets trapped within the dough, creating little pockets of air. These pockets are what cause the dough to rise and gives bread its characteristic fluffy texture. Alcohol produced during fermentation also plays a role, contributing to the aroma and taste of the baked goods. So the next time you bake, remember, it's the yeast that's doing all the heavy lifting. Now that you know how chemistry plays a crucial role in cooking, doesn't it make your culinary adventures more exciting? It's fascinating to see how a simple act of cooking can involve complex chemical reactions that contribute to the taste and aroma of your dishes. Just to jog your memory a bit, we delved into the Maillard reaction, that magical process that gives your steak its flavorful brown crust and your bread its delightful golden hue. Then we journeyed into the world of yeast and baking, understanding how these tiny microorganisms are the unseen heroes behind your fluffy bread and pastries. But don't stop here, there's a whole universe of culinary chemistry waiting to be explored. So why not take this newfound knowledge to your kitchen and experiment? You might just surprise yourself with some amazing creations. If you found this video informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave us a comment with your thoughts. Happy cooking and experimenting with your newfound knowledge.